Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix Discord not loading on iPhone. If Discord is not loading on your iPhone, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the issue. First method would be, on your settings, ensure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if the issue is related to your network. Next method, swipe up from the bottom of the screen or double click the home button on all the iPhones to open the app switcher. Find the Discord app and swipe it up to close it. Reopen the Discord app from your home screen. Another method, hold down the power button or the power button on volume button on newer models until the slider to power off slider appears. Slide to power off your iPhone. After the iPhone is off, hold the power button again to turn it back on. Next method, open the App Store. Tap on your profile picture at the top right. Scroll down to see if an update for Discord is available. If so, tap Update. Another method, press and hold the Discord app icon on your home screen until a menu appears. Tap Remove App, and then Delete App to uninstall Discord. You can go to the App Store, search for Discord, and reinstall the app. Next method, open the Settings app, tap General, then Software Update. If an update is available, download it and install it. Next method, Discord does not offer a built-in cache clearing option on iOS, so you'll need to install the app, as mentioned in step 5, to clear the cache. Another method, visit the Discord status page to see if there are any ongoing issues with Discord's servers. Another method, if you're using a VPN or a proxy, try disabling it and see if the Discord loads. Another method, still on General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap Reset. Choose the top Reset Network Settings. This will reset your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, cellular settings, and VPN, APN settings. Last method, if none of the above steps work, you might need to contact Discord support for further assistance. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.